Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Magic Studio in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see different options at your left corner. Within A, tap Create Icon. Now it will show different templates. First, YouTube thumbnail, and tap on the YouTube thumbnail template. Once the YouTube thumbnail page opens, click on the design menu option. As you can see, it has already opened design option. You can type a short description, then tap on submit. Canva Magic Studio will gently generate multiple thumbnail designs for you. You can scroll down and choose any of the thumbnail that you like. Once selected, you can improve the thumbnail by using the Magic Write. You can use Magic Write to generate a catchy thumbnail text, as well as you can use Magic Media to convert text to image to generate a custom background images, or you can just use Magic Edit. In order to use that, tap on the image and tap on Edit. Here you can use filters or effects if you want. Make sure that the text is big and bold and use high contrast colors. And that's how you can use Magic Studio to create YouTube thumbnails in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.